Hello guys, so I've been using CosmoLex for a while now, and honestly, if you're in the legal field and looking for a solid, all-in-one practice management and accounting tool, it's hard not to appreciate what it brings to the table. Think of it like finding a single platform that can handle everything from case tracking to billing, similar to how a Shopify store owner might look for one tool that manages inventory, orders, and customer communication all in one place. Right from the start, I noticed that it combines case management, billing, time tracking, and trust accounting in one platform, which is huge because before this, I was juggling QuickBooks, separate billing software, and a clunky case management system. The integration alone saves me hours every week, and the fact that it's cloud-based means I can access my work from the office, home, or even on the go without worrying about syncing or manual backups. For Shopify users, this is like having your store dashboard, accounting software, and marketing tools all synced automatically. No need to manually export sales reports or check inventory spreadsheets. Using CosmoLex, I really came to value how intuitive the interface is. Sure, there was a small learning curve at first, especially when it came to setting up trust accounts and understanding how the automated billing works, but after a few weeks, everything clicked. Creating invoices is straightforward, and I love that clients can pay electronically right through the invoice link. For small business owners, this is a huge time saver. Getting paid faster and reducing friction in transactions makes cash flow much smoother. The timer feature for tracking billable hours is smooth and accurate, and bulk entry for time slips saves me from tedious manual input. I also appreciate how the software handles employee performance and task delegation, which makes managing a small law firm a lot more organized. Similarly, Shopify store owners can benefit from project management and team collaboration features, keeping product launches and promotions running on schedule without extra confusion. Customer support is another area where CosmoLex shines. Anytime I had a question, whether it was about a feature I didn't understand or a suggestion for improving workflow, the support team was patient and responsive. They even walked me through a few things in real time, which really helped me get comfortable with the platform. For beginners, having this kind of support is crucial. It's like having a Shopify expert ready to answer your questions about apps, integrations, or troubleshooting. And while it's true that the software isn't the cheapest option out there, I feel the value justifies the price because I'm essentially replacing multiple programs with one, which cuts down on errors and administrative headaches. For store owners, investing a bit more upfront in a tool that handles multiple tasks can save significant time and reduce costly mistakes later, like double-charged invoices or mismanaged inventory. That said, it's not perfect. Some of the document management features can be a little restrictive, like clients only being able to upload one document at a time, with character limits on the file names. And if you're used to fully customizable accounting software, the structure here might feel a bit rigid. Though for law firms that need compliance and trust accounting built in, that rigidity is actually a benefit. For Shopify store owners, this is similar to using a platform with built-in tax and compliance features. Some flexibility is sacrificed, but you gain peace of mind and fewer errors. Overall, for me, CosmoLex has completely changed how I manage my practice. It's made billing faster, bookkeeping simpler, and allowed me to focus on practicing law instead of wrestling with software. If you're looking for a comprehensive, law-focused management tool, it's definitely worth checking out. For Shopify beginners or anyone managing multiple systems, the lesson is clear. Streamlining your workflow with a single, integrated platform can save hours each week, reduce mistakes, and let you focus on growing your business instead of chasing software glitches.